RETSCH instruments make an important contribution to the detection of heavy metals in toys. Our products are also involved when the quality of concrete is tested. In the development of nanotechnologies, RETSCH mills are indispensable. Regardless of application, from the detection of contaminants, the quality control of construction materials, or research for new technologies and innovations, a representative analysis sample is the basis for meaningful results. With RETSCH laboratory instruments, you prepare samples for a great variety of different analytical methods in research and development, production control, and quality monitoring. With an experience based on more than 100 years of tradition, we construct and manufacture laboratory mills of all types and sizes, as well as sieve shakers for exact and reproducible grain size analysis in compliance with different standards. Moreover, we have created an innovative manufacturing process to produce test sieves, as well as a variety of instruments for sample division, feeding, drying, pressing, and determination of the bond index. With this offering, RETSCH provides the widest range of solutions for laboratories and pilot plants. In the development of our products, we have an eye for detail, but also put a focus on robustness and durability to obtain the optimum result. When it comes to quality and functionality of our laboratory mills, we have the same high standards as our customers. In 1923, we revolutionized laboratory work with the RETSCH mill, the world's first automated mortar grinder. What was true then is true today. We set standards. Our machines show a high degree of innovation as the result of the knowledge, ideas, and experience of our employees, inspired by our customers. Get a taste for our expertise by visiting one of our demo labs all over the world. You will experience the quality and functionality which is typical for German engineering. With our laboratory instruments, we not only provide quality made in Germany. RETSCH serves its customers with a global service and distribution network. Short distances and customer focus are paramount. That's why the name RETSCH stands for more than just a product. You get a partnership, as long-lasting and reliable as our products. RETSCH, solutions in milling and sieving.